So guys, in today's machine learning video, I am telling you about the TensorFlow example 2. Example 2, like in the previous 4 videos, I told you about the TensorFlow example 1, and in today's video, we are starting our TensorFlow example 2. So get ready for that. This video is about the intro, okay, of example 2. So now please like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also to never miss our future latest videos. So now I did not take a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's TensorFlow video, this one video about the TensorFlow example 2. Like in the previous 4 videos, I told you about the TensorFlow example 1. Like I told you about the data, model, training. So in today's video, we are starting our example 2. This video is about the just for introduction. So let's get started and let's give you the introduction to example 2 of TensorFlow. So let's get started. Input data, reduce loss on epoch end, explained. The model above performs 4 important steps. What this one models? This models performs 4 important steps. What type of 4 important steps? Let me tell you and let me explain you, and let's start. It model above perform 4 important steps. First model perform is it collect data. It collect data. Number 2 step is it prepares the data. What? It prepares the data. Number third step is it train a models. Number fourth step is it evaluates the model. Okay, these 4 steps I have told you. The above model performs these 4 steps. What type of model? Let me show you this model, like input data, reduce loss on epoch end. Okay, these perform 4 important steps. This type of, here you can see. In the next chapters, you will learn how to program a copy of the above example. In the next chapter, not in this chapter. In the next chapter, we learn about it, how to program a copy of the above example. You will learn how to fetch a data and how to clean the data and plot the data, like in the next chapters. Okay, so now you will also learn how to build a TensorFlow model. Okay, we don't know how to build a TensorFlow model. So in the next chapters we learn about that also, and how to train the model. And in the next chapter we learn about how to build a TensorFlow model, and also we learn about how to train the model, like fetch and clean data. We create a TensorFlow model and we train the model in our next chapters. Okay, now graphics TFJS minus VIS. The graphics is displayed using the TFJS minus VIS library. Using this library, the graphics is displayed. Okay, TFJS minus VIS is a very small library, very small library for in-browser visualization, and it intended for use with TensorFlow.js. Now let me tell you some main features. Are graphic tools for visualizing the machine learning. One more feature is functions for visualizing the TensorFlow objects. One more feature is visualization can be organized in a wizard, a model browser window. One fourth main feature is it can be used with custom tools like D3, chart.js and plotly.js. Like if you don't know Plotly, what is the Plotly.js and how we write the Plotly.js code. So like in the previous videos of machine learning, I have already told you that, and we use examples also. So I hope your concept will be clear in the previous video about the Plotly.js and chart.js. Okay, so now I hope you can enjoy this class. This video very smaller because in today's video we just told you about the TensorFlow example 2 intro. Okay, so I hope your concept will be clear about it. So from the next video we are starting our one series of this series. Okay, so in the previous video we learned about the TensorFlow example 2, one more example. Okay, and so get ready for that, and please hit a like button. Many people are seeing my video but not subscribing the channel, so please do not see my video like this. First of all, subscribe it, then see my video. Okay, so now I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit the like button, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss our future latest videos. So now I made you next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So I made you next class and next very amazing class, and please access my machine learning playlist and bookmark it also, so you never miss our videos. Okay, latest future videos. Okay, so for today, goodbye.